Hi students, this is Kameshwari from Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society Group of Institutions, Integrated Campus, NAC and MBA. My subject Geotechnical Watershed Management, final year first semester. Today we are going to discuss about a case study of water harvesting in India. A case study of water harvesting in India. So, rainwater harvesting is one of the important and most important and also economical tools of water conservation at a time of rapid dwindling of freshwater resources. So the case study of rainwater harvesting in India. Several measures to implement the rainwater harvesting have been undertaken. That is construction of 4 sump tanks with a total storage capacity of 350,000 liters for collection of rainwater. Construction of sump tanks that storage capacity is 350,000 liters for collection of rainwater. And also the rainwater harvesting is collection of water from the rooftops. The rooftop water is collected separately using a pipelines. The rainwater collecting from the rooftops by using with the help of pipes. The storm water drains collected the surface water from the road and also paved areas. We are store the water in underground tanks, collected rainwater, some tanks, and also from rooftop also we are collecting the by using with the help of pipelines, and also storm water, the drain collects the surface water from the road and also paved areas. Prior to storage of this water, it undergoes filtration to remove the dirt, grease and other impurities. And the rainwater harvesting is very important, and also it will give the awareness of peoples to improve the rainwater harvesting structure in our homes. And the advantages of these measures are: an open well of 5 feet diameter collects the water from underground seepage, and the water collected from underground seepage can be reused. The collecting water can be reused, thus reducing the demand for fresh water. We can store underground water, and also that runoff water will be used for domestic purpose, plantation purpose and animal purpose also. And what is the use for rainwater harvesting and different rainwater harvesting? The main objectives of rainwater harvesting are: what is the purpose? Main objectives: to increase the recharge of groundwater in aquifers. To increase the groundwater in aquifers. And the second point is to conserve the surface water runoff during rains. Surface runoff water during rains. And also to prevent the soil erosion. To prevent the soil erosion. To encourage water conservation. The first one is, the objective is increase the groundwater recharges and also conserve the surface water runoff. Surface water runoff, and also decrease the, that means prevent the soil erosion. Prevent the soil erosion. Prevent the soil erosion. Soil erosion. And also to encourage water conservation. To encourage the water conservation. Need for rainwater harvesting is to replenish the underground water table and reduce the incidence of floodings. To implementation of rainwater harvesting, reduce the soil runoff and also reduce the flooding. And for supplemental supply of water to meet the increased demand by the household and agriculture. That water we can use it for household purpose and also agricultural purpose. And to increase the infiltration of soil moisture, especially to increase the crop. So that the water will be conserved. The root holds the capability of that soil and water. So it is used for increasing the crop and vegetation productivity as well as green belt development. So we will reduce the runoff losses, increase the infiltration by plantation purpose. In that areas, runoff losses will be reduced, soil erosion will be reduced. So that root zones holds the soil and water. And also to prevent the, so increase in the crop and vegetation productivity as also green belt development. To prevent urban flooding and damage to built structures, reduce soil erosion. To prevent the urban flooding and also damage to built structures, reduce the soil erosion. For drought proofing and improved accessibility to water. Accessibility to water. So this is the need for rainwater harvesting. So anything else? Remaining any points for need for rainwater harvesting? Remaining any points for rainwater harvesting? Any points will be there? So the main purpose of rainwater harvesting is to reduce the surface runoff, increase the groundwater recharges. Any methods for rainwater harvesting? Yes, we have a traditional rainwater harvesting methods and then modern harvesting methods. That means bamboo drip irrigation. One of the example is bamboo drip irrigation. So the tidal farmers of Khasi in Meghalaya use bamboo pipes to irrigate their fields. The water from perennial springs are conveyed to the roots of plants through the bamboo pipes. And also Kal irrigation. The trans-Himalayan regions falls in the rain shadow areas. Therefore, rainfall is scanty. Rainfall is scanty. So, in spite of negligible rainfall, agriculture is the main option in these regions. So, this is because small channels, locally called as skulls, are used to carry water from the glacier to the village. So these channels are about 10 kilometers long with its head at the glacier, which leads into a circular tank in the village. So the head of the channel is kept free of debris. And also whenever there is a need to irrigate the fields, the water from the tank is let out in the trickle. In the trickle, the cycle is the repeated. And the inlet pipe is kept open in the night. So the tank gets filled and outlet pipe of tank is released in the morning to irrigate the fields. It is the circulation process. It is the circulation process. This is the need for rainwater harvesting, and also different methods for rainwater harvesting also we can implement and then save water.